Watch, the FDA has approved a new device that could make a difference for almost 12,000 babies a year who are born with a common heart defect. As Tracy Townsend spoke with the family of a little girl who was one of the first patients to benefit from it.
Irie and Judah Felkner are typical toddlers, according to their mom, Chrissa.
Irie's a fighter. I mean, but both of them are.
The twins have been through a lot.
You hadn't been able to hold them.
No.
Born 13 weeks early, they were fighting for their lives. Then came the diagnosis that Irie, born at just 1 pound, 13 ounces, had a heart defect known as a patent ductus arteriosus, or PDA.
I was honestly, truly scared that we were not going to bring her home.
A PDA is a potentially life-threatening opening between two blood vessels leading from the heart, which increases blood flow to the lungs, making it hard to breathe. Doctors told the Felkners about a new device to close the opening called the Piccolo. Smaller than a pea, the device from Abbott can be implanted in babies weighing as little as 2 pounds through a minimally invasive procedure using a catheter to direct the device to the heart.
You put in this little plug. It takes 20 minutes.
Dr. Evan Zahn of Cedars-Sinai Smith Heart Institute explains how it works.
The Piccolo device is advanced into the PDA just by gently pushing it out. So there's the first disc, there's the middle section, and there's the last disc. And that goes right into the PDA and plugs it almost immediately. We can reposition it by just withdrawing it back in the catheter and doing the whole thing over again until we think it's perfect.
Irie was one of the first babies in the U.S. to have the device while it was being tested. She was breathing on her own just 3 days later.
She's a part of medical history. That's crazy. At 6 weeks old, look what you're doing for the world, Irie.
Now, 18 months old, both Irie and Judah have no limitations, and their mother couldn't be more grateful. Tracy Townsend, CBS News, Columbus, Ohio.